Elohim before you, nor bow down to any graven images too. I won't take the name of Yah, my Elohim, in vain. I'll do. Remember the Sabbath day, sanctify it, keep it holy. Honor your father and mother, because that's what Yah told me. That your days may be long and that it may go well with you. I'll do. Neither lie to your neighbor, for it's not Yah's will.